Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to recognize text in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. Now I'll recognize this text. Select this tools option. Now click this scan and OCR option. And this is recognize text option. Click here. You can upload multiple files or in this file I'll select existing file. This is recognize text option showing. Now click on the setting option. You can recognize all page, current page or specific page, all page, and select your document language. I'll select UK and output. I'll select editable and text and image, and down sample to you can select DPI and simply select OK, and finally click on this recognize text, and this is converting. Yeah, see this. And see this. A text recognition already complete. Yeah, and see this. And click this tools option and select edit, and see this, and this is image. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.